Well, the book Dave Sharp Nature Boy, it is at the publishers at very, very long last. Second time lucky, and hopefully it'll be out by around June, July time. So I've been final sort out of some of the photos to go into the centre photo section. And this is some of the photos of some of the little stream fish that get a mention in that book. It's a book about really my young childhood, growing up, discovering the amazing world of nature, fishing, weird exotic pets, poking around for mini bees, catching butterflies, the whole thing that intrigues most sort of lifetime nature observers and lovers. So we've got a beautiful bullhead here, common fish of my childhood, and yet due to partly the state of our river systems, but massively due to the red claw crayfish from America, the signal crayfish, it's now very rare. And here, part of the fishing, I've had to use a picture of my son with a huge 30-pound pike. So we started the last vlog telling you we've been digging a hole because poor old Elsie, the German short-haired pointer, is on her last days. Sad times indeed. Nice to see a little visitor, because this guy has survived the shooting season, and look how splendid he is. The sad thing is, when it comes to the spring, very soon, he's probably going to decide that the country lane along the estate would be a really good place to sort of have his lek and a really splendid sunny spot to show off his splendidness to the girls while he tries to get a girlfriend, and he'll probably get run over. Ironic, but happens a lot. Anyway, Jackie and I have been blubbing. Very sad time, any dog owner will know. Very sad time. Now Jackie and I recently got away to Norfolk for Valentine's weekend, but we took a little gooseberry, we took little Lily, and I made a video all about it, all about the seals, the Sea Life Centre. We love a bit of Norfolk, it's our relaxing place. And then I realised I'd added a few clips of little Lily full on with her face showing, and forgot her parents asked not to have her sort of now for various reasons on social media, and that video is now a private video for me to look back at, but unfortunately it never went live. So here's a glimmer of some of those seals down at Horsey Gap on the Norfolk coast. Well worth a visit. There's loads there in the winter. They breed in the early winter. Beautiful to see. Amazing animals. And something certainly living in the centre of England we certainly don't see very often. So nice to go and see them and just see their behaviour, the young ones playing and messing around. And to add to that, if you're near Great Yarmouth, their Sea Life Centre, definitely worth a good visit. Back in the snake room, beautiful mangrove snakes out roaming around, looking as gorgeous as ever. Look at that beautiful animal. And at the Falconry Centre, the peregrines getting retrained, and I picked up this rather cute looking little chickie. I don't know what it's going to grow into. Let's try it. pond area is looking great. Look at all the lungwort, I can't even say it. The lungwort, pulmonaria. And look at the snowdrops over there. And my favourites, of course, the primroses. Spring really is springing up. Some of our creatures aren't actually to leave sight. They don't go to schools, such as these European viperine snakes. It's just the beginning of March, and with yesterday's 18 degrees and full sunshine, even though today's much cooler, it's coaxed them out. Coaxed them out of hibernation, or brumation, as we say for reptiles and amphibians. But they're out of hibernation and looks okay. This little male, he's not more than, well, he's a little bit over a foot long, but it's a small little creature. Interestingly, these are European. I've found lots of these wild in Spain, and they come out of brumation, even though it's cooler here, than do the grass snakes that live in there, which are British. They usually wake up way later. Maybe it's a genetic thing, they're wired, even though they're captive bred. And there's another one just down there. Look at that. I can't see any more, but there could well be. I like to get in here and sort of weed it out and tidy it up before the animals come out, but that warm weather yesterday that certainly caught me by surprise. So a couple of viperine snakes in the outdoor. They live outside all year round in a huge natural style enclosure. Old Maverick the peregrine is about 2 years old now, and his retraining is going well. I've been taking him home for a bit of one-to-one, but he's certainly flying the lure well now. We're going down our little track, 2nd of March, and we've just seen a butterfly out from hibernation. Nearly 18 degrees. It's kind of almost officially spring, and it is March now, you know, it is coming. So I'm going to get some more leaf litter today. We're going to get beech leaves today for some enrichment and habitat creation in our snake enclosures. Oh, there he goes. For the invertebrates, isopods and millipedes and those kinds of animals, beetle grubs, they do well on things like sycamore and oak leaves that are rotting down. For the snakes, I like these beech leaves because they take ages to rot down, so you get them, or they're not eating them, it's more about actual substrate. So beech leaves are great, even work in aquariums.